In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find the perfect sense for you on controller, as well as showing you my sensitivity. So we're going to start this off by showing you some clips that I've hit on controller.
Full box?
21, 64 white.
I see that health goes down.
And now that you've seen those clips, here is my controller sensitivity. So we're going to go into settings. I don't really think you care about my binds. So this is my sense right here. So I have all of this off except Builder Pro. I have this at edit hold time at 0.1. Simple edit at, we don't use that, so it stays like that. Slide hold time, I have this at 0.04 just because my reset button is the same as my crouch button. And there was a bug where it caused me to like crouch every time I reset it. So I wanted it to have like a little bit higher. I might put this up to like 0.45. This on both. This stays all the way to the bottom. Off. This stays all like normal. I put this on none. I don't know what this does. Doesn't really matter. Button group. Alright, so sensitivity. My leg sensitivity, I have it at 4. Have this at 3. 1.8, 1.7. 1. Keep this at 1. Just keep it on. Turn this on. We have look horizontal speed at 40. Vertical speed at 41. This all off. This just doesn't work. It's bad. Trust me. Aim sensitivity 6, 7 on vertical. This at 1. You can put this down to like 0.95, 0.97, depending how slow you want it. Depending how fast you put this up. Make sure it's linear. Linear is for your mechs. Exponential is for your aim. So if you're a 0 build player, make sure you put it on exponential. All of this stays at 100 for aim assist. This doesn't matter. My dead zone is at 8 just because I have a little bit of stick drift. If you don't have stick drift, make sure you put it at 5. And then from there, just go on and check what you can put it as. For your lowest, 8 is the lowest I can put it at. This I used to have it at 6, but I recently changed it to 15 because if I have it too low, it causes it to like activate or like it causes it to trigger. Like it's kind of weird. So 10 to 15 is like the best range. You can put it at 13, but I found 15 the best for me. And then all of this nobody cares about. And now we're gonna go into a game and I'm gonna show you my mechs. I'm not the best player, trust me. If I was the best player, or if I was good enough, I'd probably have money on the game. Or I'd probably just be doing something better, you know? Alright, now let's talk about how you can find the perfect sensitivity for yourself. So what I did is I went online, looked for a pro settings. I used Miro because he's one of the best controller players out there. I copied his settings, went into creative, went into free build map. From there, I played around with the settings. If I found the sense too fast, I lowered it. If I found the sense too slow, I turned it up. I kept doing that to the point where I just found the perfect sensitivity, and that's how I found my sense. I've been playing on the sense for about 3 years now. I used to change it every time. I never liked my sense. I'm telling you guys, it's tough. You're gonna find the sense you like once you find the sense you like, just don't change it. Because I'm telling you, if you keep changing it every week, you'll never get used to your sensitivity, and it's just never gonna work out. Same thing on keyboard and mouse. Find the pro settings, copy his sense, use the sense, and then if you think it's too fast or too slow, turn it up, turn it down. But find the spot where you like it the most. Get used to that sensitivity and don't change it. I'm telling you, it's just consistency, consistency, consistency. Every time you change your sensitivity, it just ruins everything because you have to relearn the sensitivity. That's how I figured out my perfect sense. That's how I've been able to hit Unreal multiple times in Battle Royale, multiple times in Reload. And honestly, guys, once you find your perfect sense, you just enjoy the game more because you actually get to improve your skill more and more. So yeah, that's how I found my sense. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully this helps you, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We're like 50 subs away, and peace.